Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the fifth unit. It is about the central government. In this particular discussion, we are going to discuss about the president. Let us see what are the different topics that we are going to cover during our discussion. The first is president, election of president, and qualification for the election as a president. So let us see first the president. Article 52 to 78 in the Part V of the Constitution deals with the Union executives. The Union executive consists of a president, vice president, the prime minister, the council of the minister, and the attorney general of India. The president is the head of the Indian state. He is the first citizen of India and acts as a symbol of unity, integrity, and solidarity of the nation. The election of the president. The question arises that how the presidents are elected. The president is elected not directly by the people but by the member of electoral college consisting of the elected member of both the House of Parliament, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of the state, and the elected member of the Legislative Assembly of Union Territories of Delhi and Puducherry. Thus, the nominated members of both the Houses of Parliament, the nominated member of state legislative assemblies, the members, both elected and nominated of the state legislative council, and the nominated member of Legislative Assembly of Delhi and Puducherry do not participate in the election of president. Whereas the assembly is dissolved, the member cease to be qualified to vote in the presidential election. Even if a fresh election to the dissolved assembly are not held before the presidential election. The Constitution provides that there shall be uniformity in the scale of representation of different states as well as the parity between the state as a whole and the union at the election of the president. To achieve this, the number of votes which each elected member of the Legislative Assembly of each state and parliament is entitled to cast at such elections. Then the qualification required for the president. The person to be eligible for the election as a president should fulfill the following qualification. He should be a citizen of India, as it is a very obvious thing that if any person who is being elected for the president or are going to be elected for the president, he should be the citizen of India. As I said, that president is the first citizen of India, so it is mandatory thing that he should be the citizen of India. He should have completed 35 years of age. He should be qualified for the election as a member of Lok Sabha Sadan. He should not hold any office of profit under the union government or any state government or any local authority or any other public authority. A sitting president or the vice president of the union, the governor of any state and the minister of union or any state is not deemed to hold any office of profit and hence qualified as a presidential candidate. Further, the nomination of candidate for the election of the office of the president must be subscribed by at least 50 electors as a proposers and 50 electors as a seconders. Every candidate has to make a security deposit of 15,000 in the RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. The security deposit is liable to be forfeited in case the candidate fails to secure 1/6 of the vote polled. Before 1997, the number of proposers and the seconders was 10 each and amount of security deposit was 2,500 in 1997. They were increased to discourage the non-serious candidates. Thank you. In this particular video, we came to know that what is meant by president, what are the different qualifications of the presidents, and the election of president. We also discussed the detailed procedure of electing the president. Thank you for watching.